Hi, I'm Ben. I'm the salon equipment manager here at Ensley Beauty Supply. Today in this how-to video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of unpackaging and assembling a Pibbs PS92 Plumb free Pedi Spa. Here's how you receive your PS92 spa. These are shipped by freight, so they'll come in by a freight truck and they'll come on a skid. The first step is to unpackage this and lay all your parts out. This unit, like most Pibbs Pedicure units, comes in two separate boxes. One for your top seat and one for the base. Let's start first by unpackaging your base. Be sure to carefully pull out each part and dig through all packaging material for any hidden hardware or items that may be stuck or hidden. Okay, as you can see now, we've unboxed our base, laid all our parts out carefully. First of all, you have your footrest. Simply press in the button on the front and drop it down into the notch. Next, as you can see, one of the main benefits of the PS92 is a fully fiberglass tub. That's to resist rot, mold, and mildew. This unit slides out. Take your footsie back, slide it down in. Be sure and put the controls to the left-hand side from the back of the unit. If you're facing the unit on the right-hand side, out. Now, that completes the base assembly. Now that we've completed our base assembly, let's turn our attention to the top and unpackage this unit. Now that we've got our top unboxed and unpackaged, let's move it on top of the unit for ease of assembly. Typically, the easiest to assemble the arms and the spin base unit is to tilt the chair upright, such as this, for access to the bolt holes. With a supplied Allen head wrench, simply remove the 6 bolts in the triangle shape on each side of the chair bottom, which are going to bolt to the chair arms. Now that we've removed all the Allen head bolts out of the triangular shaped bottom, we should have a total of 6 bolts removed. 4 of which are long, 2 are short. The short go the closest to the inside. Now let's install the arms. Take the arms, be careful to put the plastic wing nuts on the front of the chair. The pointed part of the arms will go to the rear of the chair. Now let's assemble these. Now that we've almost got the arms installed, all while keeping in mind to put the longer bolts on the outside, the 2 smaller bolts on the inside, let's focus on putting on the rotating centerpiece for the chair. Now that we have the arms successfully installed, let's install the seat swivel. This will go between the seat and the base of the chair. When installing this, be careful to be sure and put the seat position lever right here to the front of the chair. Also, a helpful tip is to rotate the top and the bottom piece, which is slid between ball bearings, for easier access to each bolt. If you'll notice on the chair bottom, there are 4 holes pre-drilled installed. Use a supply of 4 screws which came in the packet with the Allen head wrench. As I was saying, you can simply rotate the swivel to have access to the 4 bolts which connect the swivel to the bottom of the chair. Now let's finish tightening this up and get ready to bolt this up. Simply remove all 4 finger nuts and washers. Now that we got the swivel and the nuts removed, let's go ahead and install this on the base. Simply line it up with the 4 holes in the base and drop it down in. Now that we got the chair put into the 4 holes, let's go ahead and install the washers and the finger nuts on the bottom. Install the lock washer first, followed by the finger nut on each stud below the base. Okay, we're finishing tightening up that base there. Just make sure and finger tighten all 4 bolts. Now that we got the seat secure, let's go ahead and work on running the wires. Because the PS92 is a complete plumb-free installed unit, it requires no electrical hookup. Simply plug it into a nearest 110 outlet and you're good to go. Let's go ahead and hook up the chair top outlet. First of all, remove the AC adapter, which will come in the white box. Next, trace the 2 cords that come out of the right-hand side of the chair. One is going to be your control unit. The other is your adapter plug. Simply plug in the AC adapter to that and route it to your nearest unit. Now that we got the AC adapter hooked up for the chair top, let's go ahead and plug in the footsie tub unit. Simply pull out the footsie unit, locate the retractable cord, which is on the back side of the unit, pull out as much cord as you can. Now, feed that cord down into the unit and out the back of the spa. Now you're ready to plug in your new unit. Well, that concludes the unpackaging and the assembly of the Pibbs PS92 Plumb free Pedicure unit. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to follow our YouTube videos for other helpful how-to videos.